On Staten Island, one school system is using a new program to prioritize students' mental health. CBS 2's Jenna DeAngelis explains.
If you have questions, raise your hand.
Social distancing, wearing masks, staring at a screen. It's been the norm for student learning for more than a year. The pandemic created challenges beyond the books.
We knew that in addition to the academic issues that students may be returning to school with, that there were definitely going to be some social emotional needs that we really needed to address in the school.
So St. Joseph Hill Academy brought in special simulation training for its staff and teachers like JP Pablo.
Pre-teaching us what kind of things to look out for and what kind of things we could ask the students to help them open up.
Using avatars to act out real-life crisis scenarios.
You play the role of the teacher. You're concerned about Charlie and what might be going on with her.
Catherine Moncure is with the company behind the technology, Cognito, showing us how it works.
I'm going to start off with an observation here.
I've seen you looking off into the distance a couple of times during class discussions. I wanted to check in about that.
There are several situations teachers can go through, getting feedback along the way.
Now you see here the virtual coach pops up in the bottom.
Cognito has different programs which address bullying, mental health, suicide prevention. This one is trauma-informed practices, which Moncure says was developed with the global nonprofit UNICEF after Hurricane Harvey.
The intent was to create a program that can be applied to any kind of traumatic situation. And of course, with the current pandemic we're in, it's relevant to everyone.
The senior associate superintendent of schools with the Archdiocese of New York says staff is being trained across the school system to benefit its more than 65,000 students.
It allows them to interact with their teacher more, and those one-on-one interactions are what are key to mental health and well-being.
The goal with the training is to identify what's going on with a student, approach them with empathy, and ultimately get them any help they may need. In the Aratar section of Staten Island, Jenna DeAngelis, CBS 2 News.